In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view archived tasks in ClickUp so you can access older work without cluttering your active task lists. ClickUp's archive feature is one of those quietly powerful tools that keeps your workspace clean while making sure nothing is ever truly lost. Whether you need to reference an old project, pull back a completed task, or simply audit work from months ago. If you find this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get started. Before we dive in, it's worth understanding what archiving actually does in ClickUp. When you archive a task, it disappears from your regular task lists and views. It won't show up in your sidebar counts or clutter your sprint boards, but the task itself is completely preserved, including all its comments, attachments, custom fields, and history. Think of it like moving a physical file into a storage cabinet rather than shredding it. This is exactly why archiving is almost always better than deleting when you're unsure whether you'll need something again. The first thing you need to do is log into ClickUp and open the correct workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, for example one for a client and one for your internal team, make sure you're in the right one because archived tasks are organized within their original workspace hierarchy. You can switch workspaces using the icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're in the right workspace, you're ready to navigate to where those tasks were originally stored. Next, you'll need to open the specific space, folder, or list that contain the tasks you archived. ClickUp organizes everything in a hierarchy. At the top, you have spaces, which can contain folders, and those folders contain lists, which is where your actual tasks live. If you're not sure exactly where the archived tasks are, start by opening the space you think they belong to. You can always narrow it down from there. Click on the space name in your left sidebar and wait a moment for the task list to populate. The structure will look familiar, just like it did when those tasks were active. Now here is the step that most people miss the first time. Archived tasks are hidden by default, and you have to explicitly tell ClickUp to show them. At the top of your task list, you'll see a button labeled Show. Go ahead and click that. This opens a small panel of display options that control what appears in your current view. Look for the option called Archived and toggle it on. ClickUp will then refresh your task list and pull in any archived tasks alongside your active ones, usually displaying them with a slightly different visual treatment so you can tell them apart at a glance. This toggle is view specific, which means it applies to the current list or folder you're looking at. If you switch to another list, you may need to enable it again there. Once the archived tasks appear, take a moment to browse through them. You might see tasks from weeks or months ago that you'd completely forgotten about, and that's actually one of the hidden benefits of this feature. It can spark useful context when you're revisiting an old project or onboarding someone to work that was done before they joined. When you find the specific task you're looking for, simply click on it to open the task detail panel, just as you would with any active task. Everything is there. The description, all the comments your team left, any files or attachments that were uploaded, the assignees, the due dates, and the full activity log showing every change that was ever made. If you just needed to read or reference the task, you're done at this point. You've successfully retrieved that archived information. But ClickUp also gives you some management options if you need to do more than just look. Inside the archived task, you can still make edits, add comments, or update fields, which is useful if you're reviewing work and want to annotate it for the record without restoring it to active status. And if you decide the task actually needs to become part of your active workflow again, click the Unarchive button. ClickUp will immediately move it back into the list where it originally lived, with all its data fully intact. And it will appear just as it did before it was archived. Give it a moment and then check your active task list to confirm the restoration was successful. A few expert tips worth keeping in mind as you work with archived tasks. First, archiving is a far safer habit than deleting. Deletion in ClickUp is permanent, whereas archiving leaves a door open. Whenever you're closing out a task you might conceivably need later, archive it rather than delete it. Second, if you're managing a large project with many archived items, it helps to be disciplined about naming conventions before you archive, because you'll be searching through those task names later without the benefit of active filters or sorting you might have set up at the time. Third, be deliberate about when you unarchive. Only restore a task when it genuinely needs to be worked on again, because bringing too many old tasks back into active lists can create the same clutter you were trying to avoid in the first place. And finally, remember that the show toggle resets per view. So if you find yourself checking archived tasks frequently, you might consider creating a dedicated saved view where archived content is always visible. You've now completed the full process, logging into the right workspace, navigating to the correct space or list, enabling the archive tasks display, reviewing a task's full history, and optionally unarchiving it when the time is right. Having this skill in your workflow means you can keep your active workspace lean and focused without ever losing track of the work your team has put in. Save this video so you can come back to these steps whenever you need them. And if you have questions or want to see more ClickUp tutorials like this one, drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next video.